Oh no! What?
I'm gonna bring the hair. Fix all the eyes on me. 1, 2, 3. My hips going left, going right. Tell your girl that you didn't see.
This project should be undertaken with adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Whoa!
Uh-huh.
I want to be a driver. Chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo. Delivering something.
Aha! Wow!
Chuga, chuga, choo, choo, choo.
Sharpener. Yeah. Scissors. A, B, C. Book.
Chuga, choo, choo,
Yeah. Crayons. Glue. Aha! Ruler. Good job.
riding a super train, yeah.
Whoa!
Humpty Dumpty, you're so
Oops.
cute. Humpty Dumpty,
Aha.
peekaboo. Humpty Dumpty's jumping around up really high and on the ground.
Let's go.
Bouncing everywhere. I will catch you in the air.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Playing with that is so much fun. Hey, stop. Yak, yak, yak. Where is the
Yeah.
water who's here I come? I will catch you.
Aha.
Run.
Threads.
Oh, oh. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with mud is so much fun. Do-do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Playing with mud is so much fun.
Glue.
Oopsie! Ha ha ha! You can catch us now. Muddy balls. Hey, hey, hey.
Whoa!
Mama is huge. Here I come.
Aha!
Catch you. Run, run,
Oops.
Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, here I come. Banana, banana, nana, nana, banana, nana, nana. Hey monkey, stomp the floor. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey,
Yeah. Hey, girl.
monkey, hey yeah.
Wow!
Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me. Hey monkey, monkey, give a banana to me.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
show us how you swim. Orange shark, shark,
Wow.
shark. Orange shark.
Cap, I need to keep on my patrol. Can you go check that out?
Sure, Zinnia. Whoops. Do you think I put in too much popcorn?
Yes, Bucky, that is definitely what I think.
At least it's all popped properly.
Is everyone okay? Whoa, that is a lot of popcorn.
Thanks to Bucky. It's going to take me all day to shovel out this popcorn.
Well, I'll be there to help.
Bucky, don't take this the wrong way, but maybe you should go into a job that doesn't involve destroying my kitchen.
Oh, okay then.
Hi, Bucky. I'm glad I ran into you. Ellery said you might like to be my new partner. Spearmint is, well, he's, on vacation.
Me? Be your new ride? I'd love to. I am super speedy. I just destroyed Chef Thorne's kitchen in no time. But I can't leave Chef Thorne. He has a lot of popcorn to clean up.
Oh, don't worry about that. I'm the best there is at cleaning up food. What's that I hear? A visitor approaching the park over there.
Oh no! Hop on's in here. Let's go.
Yeah. Okay, one step at a time.
Oh, hello, Thorne. Our good friend Bucky thought you could use a hand.
He did he? I have to clean this mess up and make my many vegetable soup for dinner, but that doesn't mean I...
So, you'll be needing a few pieces of carrot?
I'm not used to getting things so quickly without someone getting knocked over. You're hired, but no funny business.
Let's pretend it's a brand new day and we're going on patrol.
Brand new day. Got it.
We wake up nice and early and I check the view of the park. And you stay right in your spot.
Wake up. Stay here.
And if I see anyone, I slide down onto your back and we charge through the town, warning the others. Let's do a trial run.
We wake up, so that means we must have been sleeping. Where does Spearmint sleep?
Oh no, a visitor. Bucky, you were supposed to be ready to ride.
Sorry. I was practicing sleeping, like you said.
How about we learn on the job? I don't have any ankles left to sprain.
Oh, Wonder Beaver. What do you think of me having a new name? You know, like Bucky or Wonder Beaver.
Slow around corners.
Or you could call me Peppermint. Because you miss Spearmint.
Watch out for that earthworm.
It's like Chef Thorne always says. You can't make broccoli out of a tomato.
Look out! What do I do? Jump, Bucky, jump!
We can't be out of turnip already. Bucky said there was lots left. Go have another look.
Ellery, this might be your finest hour. Stealing while pretending to help. Why didn't I ever think of that before?
Ellery, I need a cabbage leaf.
All out of that too. So strange.
Good work, everyone. We're safe now.
Practice visitor alert to the village.
Hi, you okay? I'm just listening for birds so I can protect the holly berries.
Yeah, that sounds fun. Wait, that's not a bird, is it? Visitor alert! Visitor alert!
Nice to see the birds haven't eaten the holly berries.
Isn't it? Let's go home now, dear.
That was amazing. I felt so useful.
A perfect alert, and such a smooth ride.
I'm sorry I wasn't a better lookout partner for you.
Spearmint, you're the best partner out there. I'm sorry I didn't listen to you when you needed a break and a snack and tea. What I'm trying to say is...
Oh, Zinnia, I missed you too.
Ellery, there's supposed to be 21 vegetables in my many vegetable soup, and you're telling me we've run out of all but 4?
Has someone been playing vegetable hide and seek? I found these underneath a cabbage leaf outside.
I don't know what my furry friend's talking about. But, well, sorry, I quit.
Guess what, Chef Thorne? I was just doing a practice visitor alert. Wait a second. Where's Zinnia?
I'm sorry I was grumpy earlier, Bucky. Any chance you'd come back to your job?
Nothing makes you feel warmer than Thorne's mini vegetable soup, huh?
Hi, guys!
Unless it's the feeling of seeing great teams together again.
No, I think the soup is warmer. Or maybe the feeling. Nope, the soup.
Don't worry about it, buddy.